Okay, hi, grade eights. So it's Mr. Smith, and this video is, I'm just talking to you about this week 5 assignment, okay? I just wanted to review it again. Your job is to create a test. Your job is to play the role of a teacher. But unlike a teacher, you don't have to make up like 20, 25, 30 questions. You have to make up 4, okay? So your job is to make a quick unit exam for this unit in solving equations. You should delete all this stuff that I'm highlighting, right? It should be gone by the time you hand this in, particularly this huge all caps message where I'm telling you, you can't copy questions from the textbook, but you can make up questions that are very close to the textbook, okay? I'm just trying to give you a hint there. They don't have to come out of the clear blue sky. You can use your textbook as inspiration, all right? Um, all right, I just wanted to say that. So what do you need? You need 2 multiple choice, okay? So you need question 1. Here's the question in your multiple choice answers. I want choice A, B, C, and D. 4 fingers there, Mr. Smith, all right? Which answer is correct? Show your explanation. And which answer is distractor? Now remember, when you create a multiple choice test, you can't just have 3 out of the clear blue sky wrong answers, okay? Like if you go 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, then it makes sense that the student might get an answer of 4. Maybe they just don't know their facts that well. Your answers might be 3, 4, 5, and 6 for 2 plus 3. You're not going to go 2 plus 3 equals, and your choices are A, 112, B, 5, C, 6,324, and D is puppy dog. So you've got to have, in other words, your wrong answers have to make some sense. You have to try and analyze and even guess, where could a student get this question wrong, okay? So I don't mind if one distractor is like, brown puppy, and it's clearly a wrong answer. But so in the end, you should have this: 1 right answer, maybe 1 wrong answer distractor that is like, really? Come on. We want you to be able to cross this answer out immediately. But then there should be 2 answers that kind of relate to the first answer, okay? And just do your best. It doesn't have to be super high level, like, a teacher type question, but I want you to put in some effort. That's why we only have you doing 4 questions, grade 8s. It's just 4. So 2 multiple choice, all right? Now, I just want to point out here, you don't have to use this table if you don't want to. If you want to and it's organized, that's fine. If you want to start a brand new document, right, where it doesn't have a table and you feel like constricted and the table's too narrow and the columns are too narrow, you can go ahead and do a brand new doc. You can even do this. You can even write it out by hand if you like. All right, as long as you follow the instructions. Okay, I'm saying even though I made a copy of this document, right? Even though I made a copy of this document for everybody, if you find an easier way to do this assignment, that's fine. I have no problems with it. Okay, 2 multiple choice, 1 short answer. So a short answer is basically, it's kind of like problem solving, but the student would only have to, it's only required, it's like numerical response, right? You just have to show your answer, okay? But again, you make up a question, create an answer key for this equation, including all the steps, show how a student can answer incorrectly by making a common mistake, okay? So that's the goal for question 3. Just show me 1 mistake a student could make. All right, question 4, the last section, you'll create a problem solve. So a word problem, okay, that requires a student to use an equation with a distributive property, okay? I think a common one in the textbook was the picture frame in order to find the answer. Both equations should be 2-step equations. How many steps? 2. All right, problem solving equation or problem solving question. Okay, so that's it. There's no new materials. This is basically the only video, and you only have 1 assignment. Please reach out to me, okay? It's a simple assignment in the sense that the only thing you have to do this week is create 4 questions. On the other hand, it's maybe not the easiest assignment in the sense of, switching roles here and playing the role of a teacher. Maybe you'll find out it's not the easiest thing in the world. So anyways, do your best, grade 8s. Please ask me questions. Go to my office hours. Drop me an email if you have questions about the assignment. It is an important assignment. This is your unit assessment, okay? We traded you an exam. In other words, you don't have to write an exam. You don't have to complete an exam. You have to make up the test. 4 questions. All right, I'm done. See you later, grade 8s. Have a good one.